again. Here's a peek inside. Then here's a peek outside. Yes, this is great. And the pool. And there. Yeah, it's nice.
Amusement park and this is one to laugh.
It looks like it's like make-believe stuff, but it's our house. This is our house. Why? If we pulled out the most we could, like, we didn't pull out any of this. We just got the stuff in the pool and everything, you know, that we could. This door ain't accessible anymore because it's kind of like leaning. The only way to get through is here. And there's like an nail. So you need to push it out.
Kevin, I'm having so much fun.
Through, almost touching the nail. Now I'm outside. And this is not what is supposed to happen. Yeah, this is way overflowing. Here's the water. Then here's our house. Let me back up a little bit and go 0.5. They're close. And the winds, look at our poor palm trees. Look at all that's been ripped off of our palm trees.
This is one of the seeds in our plants.
Look at everything that's being ripped off its roots and pulled to the side. Look at this. It's bending.
Kevin, I found a seed to one of the plants.
No way.
Look at that.
Were we very chunky and snowball though?
Yeah, we dig them out and we threw them away in the garbage.
Oh, we did throw the sludge away. I thought we put them back. No.
We never found snow.
We didn't find any bones either.
No, all there was is bush in a bag.
Yes.
Ken, snow. We only found Chunky. We never found Snowball.
Okay, Snowball's still in there. That's Snowball's area.
That's Snowball. Mom, I planted him.
That's not gonna happen. Oh yeah, out there.
No, this little thing.
Oh, just flipping drizzle. Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Mom. Look it. You're de-rooting that.
You're gonna tear it off from the house.
You're de-rooting this.
That's okay. This has to be taken off.
Connor.
Well, I'm taking a shower. I'm getting all this stuff in my car.
Don't do that. We don't need any fucking more water under here.
If you saw part 1, you would have seen the very flooded waters. Connor, let's go back to the flooded waters one more time.
Yay!
See, you look at them palm trees. That's where you go hurricane palm trees. Let's go. No, zoom out. Look at this. Look at this. It goes knee deep to the gutter. There's our thing. We need to look around for any more. Also, Connor, wait! Mushrooms. Kill all the mushrooms. Look for another flower. There's got to be at least one. One. No, that ain't a full one. That means they'll sprout after the hurricane.
These used to be one.
Wow, look at all them dead plants. Oh my God. That is the only sprouted one right here. It is a trooper. That is, ain't it too? I'm getting this and I'm posting it on YouTube.
I think I found a shark tooth.
Holy moly. Yeah. Connor, I kind of want to... Look it! It's a swirl!
Kevin, come here.
It's raining.
Kevin, come here. Kevin. Kevin. Kevin, talk to me. Kevin, feed me.
It's swirling.
Hey, come on. Kevin, you must help the squall. Help the squall down. I got you, Kevin.
Be very careful with that.
Hey, look at move away, that smoke.
Okay. Holy. Look at all the leaves. Oh my
We
god.
need help. We need to get our big shovels. Come on, Kevin. We need to get. Kevin, come on, let's go.
Fine. I'll help. We must help together. I ran in that. Ugh. Get out. Get out of my mouth. Thank you. We need to fix this. Ah! Ah! Ew, ew, ew. Ew, okay. I'll give you an update
Yes,
soon.
Kevin, it's working.
A part 3. Or I could do it one-handed. No, I need to set my phone down. I'll give you an update in a short. See how that is. But this is over right now. I'll give you an update soon.